Patuloy na nanghihingi ng panalangin ang Queen of all Media na si Chris Aquino dahil sa kanyang mga karamdaman. Sa bagong post nito, sinabi nitong lilipat umano siya sa bahay nila sa Tarlac upang mag-preventive isolation ng 6 na buwan. Sa kasalukuyan ay namamalagi ngayon sa isang private resort si Chris Aquino. Kung matatandaan, sinabi nitong nais niyang manirahan sa tabi ng dagat. Sa update ni Chris sa kanyang social media, sinabi nitong hindi umano niya maiwasang isipin na bago siya matulog ay baka wala ng bukas para sa kanya na masilayan. On purpose, matagal akong hindi nag-upload. I have to admit, if I told you what was happening. Some of you may stop praying because my autoimmune diseases were increasing in number and my life-threatening ailments needed me to make a brave choice. Trust me, it's difficult to accept every night when I sleep that there may be no tomorrow for me. My almost 2 months stay in this private beach property owned by a kind and a generous family who want me to regain my health as well as strengthen my faith in God's merciful healing power. I came to a decision. I have another 6 to 8 hour infusion session in 6 days. It's one of the strongest autoimmune immunosuppressants, together with my 2 other. One taken daily and one given via injection will totally wipe out my immunity. I will be in preventive isolation for 6 months. I live in our compound in Tarlac. My Coangco cousins and I fondly call it Alto. Where is Kuya? Since the deaths of his Lola Cory, Lola P, and Tito Noy, seeing me frail, weak, often attached to my IV drip, Kuya is traumatized, visibly shaking, repeating, "Mama, get well, I love you." For now, he's living with my genuinely super loving cousin. Bim, now 18, has sacrificed much to take care of me. Is heaven's gift, my optimistic adult who reminds me I should never surrender. After a few more scheduled tests and treatments and my recuperation, Bim and I are ready to reveal all and show you everything for the first time. Please continue praying. Kailangan na kailangan ko. Thank you to both Makati Med and St. Luke's BGC, my doctors, their fellows and residents, the nurses assigned to me in the hospitals, my personal nurses, the many skilled technicians operating the high-tech machinery, and all who continue to believe gagaling pa rin ako. Tuloy ang laban.